Hey guys, so today we are going to be doing my nails. This is my first ever voiceover and my first ever nail video, so hopefully this turns out okay and hopefully you guys enjoy the video, and we're just gonna get started. So first things first is we are filing the inside of the nail beds and then filing my nails. Now we're going in with pH Bond Gelish to do a coat of that on my nail. And then we are going to be going in with the Gelish foundation polish and putting that all over the nail. And cure for 60 seconds. Now we're going in with the Beetles nail glue. This is my first time ever using this. I'm putting that all over the nail bed, a nice thick layer, and then slowly pushing down on the nail and curing with the Beetles LED UV lamp. And we're just going to do this with all of the nails. So now that we've gotten all the nails done, we're going to go ahead and do a quick file and shape them all. And so now that we've done that, we're going to go ahead with the e-file and quickly go over each nail. And then I'm going to take this gel polish and go ahead and do 2 coats on each of my nails. And cure for 60 seconds. Alright, so now to the fun stuff. Now we're going to go ahead and do our green fringe tip on just the pointer and ring finger. I first just used a skinny brush to outline it, and then I went ahead with the regular nail polish brush and filled it in. Went ahead and cured for 60 seconds and then did a second coat again. I kept going out of frame a bunch of times actually, so bear with me guys. I'm gonna try and do better with that. It happened a couple times. Alright, and now we are gonna go ahead on the middle and pinky. We are going to go ahead and do a dotting design using the dotting tool. We actually do this on my thumb too, but I did not record that because I felt that it was probably kind of redundant, because I'm going to show you on both the middle and pinky. Okay, so basically I just went ahead, did the middle dot first, and then I went on either side, and as you can see there, I kind of messed up, so I just went ahead and wiped it off before I did a cure and redid it. And yeah, so as I go down, the dots get smaller. Okay, and so here originally I was only going to do 3 rows and then, or columns, and then I felt that it looked a little bare, so I went ahead and filled in between each of the columns, and liked the way that turned out a little bit better. And then we just went ahead and did the exact same thing on the pinky. Alright, so here I went ahead and decided to do the dotting effect on top of the French tip as well. Kind of came from some inspo pics that I saw, and I really liked how this turned out. So again, I basically just did the exact same thing that I did on the middle and pinky, which was 3 dots at the very top, and then I gradually just got smaller as I went down the nail. it for 60 seconds, and pretty much we are done. The only thing left to do now is the top coat, and I'm going to be using the Valentino No Wipe Gel Top Coat. And last but not least, we're going to take our Gelish Nourish cuticle oil and put that all over the nails, and we are done, you guys. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I had a great time making it, and I hope you guys subscribe, like, and comment. Bye, guys.